So this will be my portfolio conclusion. So first point, report on your overall learning process and outcomes during this course. My overall learning process has been quite enjoyable. We've done things that most of us like an interview. We've taken some pictures. We've done essays. We didn't like that much the essays, but overall it was quite enjoyable. And the outcomes of during this course have been that I know that I have like mistakes while I talk. I have a lot of grammar mistakes, and now I know. Second point, do you think that you have improved in any of the language skills? By the way, I'm reading in my computer. Do you think that you have improved in any of the language skills and systems in English in relation to your initial objectives? If so, indicate which ones and how. I think I've improved my pronunciation because now I know that when I do a public presentation, I speak very slowly. And what else? And in grammar, I think because I have a lot of mistakes with spelling, and I don't write commas and dots, and I have to improve that. Third point, have any of your reflections, for example, phonetic charts for My Room, My World, and natural speed features activity for the interview, etc., help you to take some action to change your learning experience? Yes, now I know that I say a lot of times like because of the, not the phonetic chart, I think it was the natural speak features in the interview, because I know that I say a lot of times like, and I have quite a few mistakes that I didn't know that I had, and I think I'm trying to learn from that. Fourth point, how would you describe your experience with the electronic portfolio and dealing with the multimodality? Well, I wasn't used to using that many sources, so it's been, at the beginning it was quite difficult, but once you know how to do it, I think it's pretty easy. And the experience, well, now that we've ended and I see all the progress, it was very slow. At the beginning you didn't know like the license, and then how to upload things to the web. We didn't know how to design properly the web and everything. So it was, it really helped me, because if I want to do like, I don't know, a web or something, it's pretty useful. Fifth point, what is your best contribution in this subject? My best contribution? I think it would be the Kagaolat project. It wasn't like only mine, we did in a group, but we really worked on the project, and I think it came out pretty well, so I'm pretty happy with that. My worst contribution in this subject has been my worst. I think the interview that we did with a famous person, not because we didn't want to do it like good, but we had some problems because I wasn't here in Barcelona, I was back at home. We had to do it through Skype. We didn't have that much time, and in the end it didn't come out like we wanted. And what is your most personal contribution to this subject? My most personal, I think it was My Room, My World, because I explained things about my room that I think people didn't know when they came and visited, because I don't usually tell them. Then sixth point, mention the activities that you liked and did not like during the course and give the reasons. So the activities that I liked were like I'm doing this on a go, so I'm sorry if I'm very slow. That I liked, well, I really enjoyed the group presentation, the Kagaolat thing, because we had fun doing it and it came out pretty well. And I don't know, like everything that we did in a group, it was fun and the class went through quicker. And that I didn't like, well, I didn't like doing essays. But that's personal because I don't like writing, and I also didn't like to give marks to the people from my group. Not from my group, like from my class, because you don't want to be cruel with them, but at the same time, it's really a stake, and you need to put that mark. So I didn't enjoy that. And alternatively, state any course task that you would have liked to do. Well, maybe I would like. Well, maybe I think doing like a commercial, that would be pretty cool. And yeah, I think the commercial, because we've done we've done photos, an interview. So I think that's it. Maybe a video. So 7th point, give yourself a grade, objective and critical with yourself and your work. Well, I've thought about this before, and I think I will give myself like an 8, an 8 point something, because I think I haven't done like badly, but I could have given more. Like my work could have been better, and I think I could have done a little bit better. So the last point, give a piece of advice to your partners that will be doing this course next year. And I conclude with that. So come to class, very important. Do the work in time, like don't leave it for the last minute, because it won't work. You will do it badly, and then your grade will be according to that. So if you have a bad mark, that's your fault. And what else? If you have a problem, like you have a mistake in an essay or something, learn from that. Don't think about like I've done it badly, or like the teacher doesn't like me or something like that. No, like try to interiorize that, and use it with your English. And I think that would be my 3 pieces of advice that I will give. So that will be my portfolio conclusion for English class.